Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Netflix on your MacBook Air. First, open your favorite web browser, such as Safari, Chrome, or Firefox. Then, type Netflix. Come into the address bar and press Enter. Once on the Netflix homepage, simply log in with your existing account details. After logging in, you can browse the extensive library and select any movie or TV show to start watching immediately. It's a straightforward process to enjoy your entertainment. To get the most out of your Netflix viewing, optimize your experience. After starting a show, click the full screen icon in the bottom right corner of the player for an immersive view. You can also manually adjust video quality settings within the Netflix player to ensure you are watching in the highest available resolution, like high definition or even 4K if your internet speed supports it. For superior sound, consider connecting external speakers or a good pair of headphones. Once Opera GX is optimized, launching Roblox is straightforward. Navigate to the Roblox website within your browser and select any game you wish to play. If prompted, allow the Roblox player to download and install. This is a quick, one-time process. Should you encounter issues, check for conflicting browser extensions or ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Most problems are easily resolved with these simple checks. For an even more versatile Netflix experience, consider a few advanced options. While you can't download directly to your Mac, you can download shows on a mobile device for offline viewing later. You can also connect your MacBook Air to a larger external display, like a television or monitor, using an HDMI cable for a cinematic view. Additionally, explore browser extensions that can add features like improved playback controls or custom subtitles, enhancing your overall streaming enjoyment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.